Let's start with an honest reaction most engineers have. Low code tools feels wrong. They look abstract, hide details, and feels like something non-technical teams use. And engineers hate that feeling because engineers care about control, predictability, and maintainability. So the default response is rejection. But here's an uncomfortable truth. Engineers don't hate low codes. What they actually hate is wasting time. And once you see what PowerPoint and Copilot actually removes from your plate, the resistance changes. The real problem is engineers are doing the wrong work. Let's be honest about engineering time is spent. Most engineers are not writing core algorithms all day. They are building internal dashboards, approval flow, CRUD admin tools, status trackers, and reporting views. These are necessary, but they are not intellectually interesting and they consume a shocking amount of engineering time. That's where Power Platform fits. The mental model that actually works here is internal tools are Power Platforms, core systems are code. If a system is customer facing, handles core business logics, needs higher performance, and requires deep customization, you code it. If a system is internal, changes frequently, is workflow heavy, and exists to support teams, you don't need a full backend team. You just need the right abstraction. So let's discuss what Power Platform is in engineer terms. Power Platforms is not drag and drop toy. It's a set of tools for building internal apps, automating workflow, creating dashboards, and connecting data sources. And now with Copilot, you can describe intent. Copilot generates structures and you refine the logic. Think of it as an infrastructure for internal tooling. Let's start with a scenario every engineer knows. You are in a mid-sized company. Finance want approval workflow, budget tracking, and audit trails. Now what happened is a Jira ticket lands on engineering. 2 spins later, a basic UI, a fragile backend, and half-documented logic. And the moment requirement changes, it breaks. With Power Automate and Power Apps, approval flows are built visually. Data is stored in managed connectors and changes take minutes, not weeks. Engineers don't avoid the work, engineering avoid the waste. Copilot changes the low code experience. This is where Copilot matters. Without Copilot, low code still require learning the tools. But with Copilot, you just input create an app to track onboarding tasks and approval flow for managers signing off. Send team notification on status change. Copilot generates the skeleton. Engineers don't fight the tool, they guide it. Moving on to a scenario. Imagine you are a platform engineer. HR wants employee onboarding tracking, role-based tasks, and status dashboards. Traditionally, backend API, front-end UI, authentication logic, and deployment. With Power Platform, Power Apps for UI, Power Automate for workflows, Dataverse for storage, and Copilot for scaffolding. What took weeks now takes days, and engineering still reviews logic. But why engineers resist and why that's valid? Let's acknowledge the fear. Low code has a bad reputation because it can create spaghetti logics, hide complexity, and encourages bad practices. All true when used incorrectly. Power Platform is not meant to replace software engineering. It's meant to protect it. The cost of misusing engineers. Here's the real cost no one talks about. Every hour a senior engineer spends building internal forms, wiring approval emails, and updating admin dashboard. That hour is lost forever. Power Platform shifts that burden. Engineering sets boundaries and business moves faster. Indian enterprises reality. In Indian enterprises, internal tools explode in numbers, requirement changes weekly, and compliance workflow are complex. Trying to code everything slows team, burns engineers, and create brittle system. Power Platforms thrive here because it adapts fast. Copilot plus Power Platform are faster iteration. Copilot doesn't replace engineering logic, it accelerates iteration. You still review conditions, validate data, and set permission. But this time you don't start from zero. And that's the key. Suppose you are a part of an internal IT team. Employers raise tickets, laptop issues, access request, software install. With Power Platforms, forms capture request, Copilot builds flow, and approval route automatically. Engineering involvement drops dramatically and service quality improves. Integration with the real code, this is important. Power Platforms is not isolated. It integrates with Azure Functions, REST APIs, SQL, SharePoint, and Dynamics. Engineers still write code, they just write less glue code. Governance is the engineer's safety net. One fear engineer have is everyone will build random apps. Power Platform include environment control, role-based access, data policies, and audit logs. Engineers define guardrails, teams built within them. We discussed everything, so let's discuss with not to use Power Platform. Let me be very clear. Do not use Power Platforms for core transaction engines, high-frequency APIs, and performance-critical systems, complex domain logic. Low code is not a silver bullet, it's a scalpel. The engineer's new role. Power Platform changes the engineer's role from building everything to enable other safety. Engineers define integration, set standards, review logics, and own core system. This is leverage. Copilot as a bridge, not a crutch. Copilot makes low-code approachable, but engineers must still think logic. Bad logic is still a bad logic. Copilot accelerates output. It doesn't validate decisions. Let's discuss about the common mistakes teams make. Mistake 1. Letting Power Platforms fall uncontrolled. Mistake 2, using it for core systems. Mistake 3, ignoring governance. And mistake 4, not involving engineers early. Power Platform is not empty engineering. This is the mindset shift. Low code doesn't replace engineers, it removes stupid work. Internal tools shouldn't steal your best people's time. Engineers don't need to build everything. They need to build the right thing. Power Platforms plus Copilot let you move fast without sacrificing control. Internal tools belong to low code. Core system belongs in code. Use the right tool. Thank you.